6, 7. Center is missing. Oh, 8. No, 7. See? Small again. It's gotta be paying good. Because every time I see that, small ones, they're gonna have a big one. The next one's gonna have a big one. Oh, see? I will. See, I told you that. It's gonna have a fucking big one. So I got another pregame. Come on, give me an upgrade. Just pass by. Keep going, please keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Where's the fucking saw? Oh, it's right there. Okay, first one. Another wheel. Two more. There you go. Come on. Okay. Oh yeah. Two more. Two. No. Okay. Oh, okay, two. One more. Okay, two. Oh shit, one of them is wasted. Damn it, one of them. Sorry. Alright. One more. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Okay. Come on, baby. Alright. Come on, trigger. Damn, hell yeah. One more. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12. Oh shit, old mansion. Oh shit, good one. Good one. Grind. Minor. Oh damn. That's 300. That's 400. 440. That's a good hit. 440 plus. Yeah, look at that shit. That's nice. Good start. Come on, let's go. Maintain. Two more. One more, one more. There you go. Two more, two more, two more. Oh yeah. Two more, two more. Oh yo. Oh my God, really? Oh, again. No brick house. Nah, she's complaining no brick house. Two bonuses that na walang brick house. Walang panlaro eh. Walang panlaro eh. Wal Two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. What the hell? What the hell? Two more. One more. All right. Got 2 targets. Or 4 targets. Oh, come on, brother. Oh my God. Jackpot may, jackpot. Wala pa. Wala pa. Oh my God, come on. Magkaano ko naman? Magka-brick house ka naman.
Meron na yan.
Earlier, puro brick house ako eh.
Meron na yan. Kahit isa lang.
Para may makita may tsansa.
Yan.
Yun, nakaisa nga. Tama ka, so far.
Mag-retrigger pa siya.
O, yun o, mag-trigger o. Ay, shit.
Tama, mag-retrigger. Last one.
2 more. Eh! At least, tama ka. Isa nga. I got a chance. Every time I get 1 brick house, I got a chance. I got a chance to win something big. It only takes 1. Come on, give me the wheel. Oh shit. I got that. Come on, baby. Give me at least the wheel. So I got another break game. Nah. Moon, give me the upgrade. Okay, the pass bar mini, that's good. Stop the house. Stop. Bitch. Bitch. Wow. plus 2, 3, plus 4, 7, plus 5, 12. We got 12. Good start. 12 plus 5, 17. Ooh, 45 total. Oh no, one more. There you go. Good job, good job. Keep going, baby. Don't be a stranger now. Oh my God, here you go again. Come on, retrigger. Retrigger. Okay. I got 4. Got a chance. Just give me that fucking grand. 2, 4, 6. Okay, give me the wheel. Major. Oh, that's good. 30 bucks. That's $100. Ito naman. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh man, one more. Apat. Anim. Oh, wheel.
Nice.
Another wheel.
May wheel siya, upgrade siya.
Hindi upgrade. Wheel lang.
Yeah,
Wheel-
doon sa
wheel pa lang.
upgrade. Yeah,
Hindi.
doon sa taas.
Hindi.
Yes.
Yeah.
Tingnan mo.
Hindi.
Sa taas siya.
Trust me, it's sa baba. Unless you get the wheel upgrade.
Tingnan mo.
Ayun na. Nama.
Oh, tingnan mo.
Oh,
Ay, sa baba.
unless na makakuha mo ka ng wheel upgrade. Stop. Okay,
Ayan,
mansion.
mansion. Mansion ka na
Mansion
lang.
na. That's much better. Much better na fucking ano. Diba? Mas maganda.
Mansion siya. Hindi siya ano.
Mas maganda at least
Yeah,
man.
mas maganda yung mansion.
Kasi pa sa taas hindi mo mahirap makuha mo siya eh.
May lalabas na hot oh.
Basta mag-trigger siya ng 2 beses. So ano mo. Wag lang isa na isa po. Isa lang isa eh.
Come on,
Oh.
ay lumampos.
Isa pa.
Dalawa pa.
3. Come on, give me 3.
Come
One.
on, hot.
Trigger ka naman.
Hot.
Wala, ayaw mag-trigger. Pag nag-trigger, maganda.
May isa ka pang ano, may isa pang hot na lalabas.
Ah,
Wala. Usually 9 hanggang
Oo.
9 lang siya.
okay na at least meron something na.
Kuha mo na yung kanina, di ba? Yung kanina.
Ito nga, ayun nga. Ito na yung win ko. Yung kanina, yun. Plus ito pa kung ano mga bibigay sa akin. Mag-will uli. Mag-will. That would be
Sa taas
crazy.
na.
That would be crazy.
May kulay.
Oh, at least 30-30. Malaki yan eh. Matataas yan.
I
Especially
know,
to ano.
dapat kahit times 2 lang, kanina may times 2 pa.
Hindi, pero malaki naman yung ano eh. Malalaki naman. Yeah, that's fine.
Yung labas ni mansion.
That's 300. Perfect. Okay, what the hell's going on? What the hell's going on? Jesus Christ. It's a first start. Good start with getting power through.
Baka bigyan ka ng bill upgrade.
I think because bibigyan lang sa mansion eh. Sa will. The fudge? Alright, upgrade with the mansion. Stop with the brand. Keep going, okay. Keep going. Shit, you motherfucker. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright. Zigzag. 12. 12. The fuck? There you go. Just keep 3 and 3. Isa pa. Tangina mo. It's right there. 2 more. For real. Dala ko na dalawa naman. There you go. Ang laki-laki ng screen eh. Ganun ano. Diba? Ang laki ng screen. It should be like Retriggering at least. One more. Fuck you. Wow, come on. Not even one, oh. Not even one brick, oh. Ay, nako po. Why, oh why? Why are you even playing? Apat. Di ka one powder. There you go, that's it. That's it. Big bug. Magkano tayo mo? $50. 880. Aba. W2. Gee. W2G na yan. Give me the, what do you call this? Upgrade or a mansion? Or a grand? I have no idea. At least na yan, nagpass. Na naman. That's it. Laging ganyan ng ganyan eh. 1.7 ba yan? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Again! Yeah. I need to go. Oh, big money! $11. $11? Yeah.
Ikaw wala naglalaro eh. Ikaw din eh.
Hindi nagana. Hindi kasaling ano ate. Mustang lang, yung Mustang machine lang pwede. The rest you can't.
Okay.
Kaya isa lang ang ano kalaban nyo, ikaw lang.
Wala kang kalaban ngayon.
Wala kang kalaban.
Wala kang kalaban ngayon. Babalik na ako. Wait lang. Wait lang. Kukuha pa ng pera.
Kumukuha na puhunan. Holy shit. Wala ka na naman mansyon. Come on. This is bullshit. Oo nga, wala na naman mansyon. Fuck! Ay, naku po, buhay parang life. Yun. Wala na naman to. Pagka wala naman to, I'm done. Holy shit, mother father. There you go.
Christmas tree.
Ayan, ano ha. Oh my god, come on please. Wow. Fuck you. I can... Oh.
Bukas naman si Kuya Bob. Sabi niya, walang muna ka, magdadit ko sa akin.
Bob, nagbobon. At least nagbobon siya. Ano? Fuck! Wala na naman. Fuck yung nagbobon. Yun. Minamax na yan. Hindi, nagbobonus eh. Machempo mo yung anong yan. Yari ka. May 150. Fuck. 7, 8. Ako yung gold, ano? Yung red. Red buzzer, yeah. Red buzz. Golden buzz. Oh shit. Stop. Super. Stop. Tsaka na lang. Huwag ka nang ano. It's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10. That's it. 10. That's alright. It's only $2 on betting. One more. Sheesh. Yep. Okay. Namo, tigi-isa. Usually patong yan eh. Yan nga, patong-patong na ganyan, di ba? Usually patong-patong yan. At least nakalagi-trigger. Yun. Basta ganyan, tatlo-tatlo, okay rin eh. Basta huwag nang mag-i-skip eh. Come on. One more. That's it. 4. That's better than nothing.
Ano ba? Wood. Wood. Ang mansion may wood. Meron ano ba?
May hot, may wood, at saka may mansion.
Oh.
Nipahat, tapos yung wood.
Bahay kubo. Bahay kubo, one ano.
Bahay ko walang bayad.
Mabababa.
Kasi daw, sabi na minsan, makukuha mo yung major sa, yung kahit wood lang makukuha mo, hindi mo na kailangan.
Major.
Sa
That's
mga
alright.
mansion eh.
Still good. Working on it. Upgrade, naka-upgrade ako.
Ah, great.
The bigger wheel.
Ay, that's yung
Stop, stop. Keep going, okay, keep going. One more. Huwag ka na mahiya. Don't be shy.
bigay mo na.
Since you're already there.
Okay, yan natin.
5, 4 plus 5, 4, 8. 8 plus 8. 8 plus 16 na. Alright. Good. 1 so far. Keep it up. 2 more. There you go. Alright. Don't stop. Won't stop. Come on, 2 more. Yeah. Hindi na, kahit na dyan na nanda. Ganun din eh. 2 more. Ay! Whatever. There you go.
Yan.
Oh, nice. I got 1.
Yan. Sana magbinagyan sa gitna.
Kompleto win. Blackout.
O kaya gawin mo na lang lahat mansion.
Uy, wala. Oh, come on.
Ah, just one.
Shit. Isa. Dalawa. Yun.
Pwede ba yan sa baba?
Yeah.
Basta nakakatatlo ate. Ano lang.
Okay.
Kailangan lang bumalik. Fuck.
Come on, hot.
2 more.
Ay,
Ay! Tatatlo. 3 mansion. That's it. Fuck.
tapos na yun?
Apo. It's alright.
Okay.
Pwede pa kaya makuha yung wheel dito?
Yeah,
Pwede.
possible.
1, 2, 3, 4 spots missing. Shit, ang bababa. Oh, putang bababa, oh. Mga 1x lang. Oo, mababa rin, oh. 9 na.
Yung mansion. Tapos
Ayan.
sa mansion.
Alright, close up. Major. 100 at saka 100.
Mini.
200. 300.
Pinakit ako sa'yo.
Yun na, bad.
Hindi ko man alam calculate kasi nasa 60 cents siya.
Limang $20. Limang 60 bucks yun. I miss Spidey, ah.
Pulis na naman, Marco.
Yeah, hininto ko eh.
Yung hat,
Hindi, hard hat. 6 na hard hat. Ayaw lumabas. Come on, give me at least 15 bricks. At least 15 bricks lahat yun. Lahat yun, blackout 15 bricks. Wala eh. Ni isa, wala eh. Yep, ni isa wala.
Maglalang ko yan.
kasi ito ate ulit, hindi mo ma-stop. Kailangan you let it play.
O yan, hindi mo may sakyan. Hindi naman ako.
Dito hindi stop.
Hindi na ako nag-isa rin. Hirap mag-isa. Kasi mga kamay.
Damn. Wala pa. Hindi, wala. Ano? Mansion lang, ano? Hard hat lang, 6.
Laging buzzer ka lang. Buzzer, buzzer!
Oh, ang bababa, oh. Shit.
Naamin. Yung sound na yun.
Holy sugar mother car. The double 630, 650.
Kahit kabili ng kulay sa pagsigang natin rin dito sa
Hindi naman importante yun, te. Ang importante na kapaglaro ka. Stupid eh.
Sinigang walang gulay.
Come on.
May sabi walang gulay. Sabi daan tayo. Dito dumaan.
Ako na yan. Maraming gulay dito. Sari-sari. Maggulang. Malunggay. Maggulang. Ay, may apat pala ako. 4 mansion. 7. 6. 6. 3. 4. Oh shit, mababa. Oh shit, this is gonna be a good one. Oh yeah, mababa. This is gonna be a good one. I can tell this is gonna be a good one. Will. Damn it. It's alright. Oh, mine are 250.
Nice.
300.
But 60 cents a bill. Ah, 5 cents.
$3.